Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Vignette effect. So initially you're going to want to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline, and then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, go down to Lens, and then we're going to scroll until we find the Vignette effect, all right? So click and drag it down once you find it. And what we can do is also elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip or the timeline. And now with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to special effects and mess with the texture, right? So if you go all the way down to 0, there's probably no effect being put onto your clip. But at 100%, you can see that the edges are darkening. Okay, so let's take a look. Awesome. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Happy New Year's.